is fun. What happens when you want to compare two things? Are same, similar, or different, but you can't explain into sentence? I have something for you. About same, there are two ways to use same in the sentence. A and B are the same, or A is the same as B. About similar, there are two ways to use similar in the sentence. C and D are similar, or C is similar to D. About different, there are two ways to use different in the sentence. E and F are different, or E is different from F. Next, let's practice about listening skill. Look at these photos and answer the questions, only yes or no. Are picture A and B the same? The answer is yes. Are picture A and C similar? The answer is yes. Next, are picture C and D similar? The answer is no. And the last, are picture C and D different? The answer is yes. Next, let's practice about writing skill. I have some geometry for you to compare. A, B, C, D, and E. Complete the sentence. First, A and B are similar. C, D. C is the same as D. D and E are different. A, B. A is similar to B. D, E. D is different from E. And the last, C and D are the same. Next, I have an article for you. You have to read this article and complete the sentence. I live in same neighborhood as my friend Sam. Our houses are very different, but his house is a little bigger. His garden is the same as mine. His bedroom is very different from mine. His walls are the same color as mine, but the furniture isn't similar at all. His kitchen is similar to mine. They are both huge. Complete the sentence using the same as, similar to, and different from in the blank. My house. Sam's house. A is similar to. B are the same as. C is different from. D is different. The answer is C. My house is different from Sam's house. Sam's garden and my garden. A are different from. B are the same. C is similar to. D similar. The answer is B. Sam's garden and my garden are the same. My furniture. Sam. A isn't similar to. B is similar as. C is the same as. D are different from. The answer is A. My furniture isn't similar to Sam. His kitchen. Mine. A is similar as. B are different from. C is same as. D is similar to. The answer is D. His kitchen is similar to mine. And the last, I live in. Neighborhood. My friend Sam. A. Same as. B. Different from. C. Same to. D. Similar to. The answer is A. I live in same neighborhood as my friend Sam. Now, let's practice about speaking skill. I have some questions for you, and you can answer by speaking. First, look around you now. Name things are the same. Second, look around you now. Name things are the similar but not the same. Next, can you give an example of two flags that are different? Next, name two people that have the same hairstyle. And the last one, name food that are different tastes.